first thing you're going to need is a calendar dimension. There is no calendar dimension in the OneStream connector, so you're going to have to create one, and QuickLaunch will do that for you. We can support fiscal and standard calendars, or like Richard said, that 445 calendar. Again, you're going to need to be able to do those time series analysis by building out your measures, be able to compare any two scenarios, and you have those dimensions, entity, account, and scenario. Along with those dimensions, you need to recreate those OneStream hierarchies exactly. You saw in that previous section where, okay, yeah, I sort of had my hierarchies, but I didn't have any sense of how those members relate to their sort of sister members within the hierarchy to display how I see them in OneStream. You want your income statement to display revenue, then cost of sales and gross profit on your income statement hierarchy rather than alphabetically as it comes through in the descriptions. And then lastly, you had to create those relationships in the model, right? And make sure you have the right cardinality and the right filter direction. This is the structure that makes everything else possible. And all of this comes out of the box with the QuickLaunch Analytics solution.